Christian Andel. I'm a design engineer at AFE. I was born in France and I grew up in France. I was always passionate about engineering, and I was working with my dad most of the time. He's an engineer too. And as a kid I was working with him on little projects around the house, and that's how I got involved with engineering. Then I went to engineering school. From there, never stopped about engineering. And I went to school in a really good school in France, engineering school in France. And I got the opportunity to do an internship abroad in the US. So I came here for 6 months, but I liked it so much that I extended for 1 more year. So I ended up doing a 1-year internship in the US. And from there I always wanted to go back, and I always wanted to come back here and work here. I started here at AFE as an intern, doing a mechanical engineering internship. I actually met the CEO of the company, Nick, at Judo, and he gave me an internship after seeing me doing Judo because he's involved into Judo too. So I started to do the intern, so I worked in all the different departments, learned all the different departments, learned in production, and little by little worked in engineering, getting some little project by myself, and little by little start getting more and more involved in the project until being able to lead my own project and release my own parts and design my own part from the beginning to the end. What excites me at AFE is working with all those new cars and those high performance cars and try to make them even better and try to push the limit every time. Try to think, how can we make this car better? How can we make this nice car going even faster? So that's really big excitement. That's something really exciting at AFE. I became a car enthusiast when I started working at AFE, being involved with all these cars and trucks, and so it was really a big part of the job, being enthusiastic and being enthusiastic about what you're doing, about willing to make the car better, work better, be faster, more performances. I mean, everybody helped me a lot at AFE, but the person who helped me the most was Nick, the CEO. I was beginning working really closely to him, and he really teach me a lot and teach me everything. I had to work with, I had the chance to work really closely with him and to be able to learn a lot from him and learn how to do everything his way. My life here is very different than in France. In France I was going to school and focusing on my engineering degree. Here I moved here and got my first job, so I really focus on my job and focus on my career. But I really like living in California, and I feel like there's a lot of opportunity for me. And I'm really looking forward to grow with AFE and work, design even more parts and different part, more applications.